if you're at all rounded, sit up on a blanket or a block, or you can roll the edge of your mat over and you can sit on that. So just give yourself a little bit of height. I'm going to grab my blanket. So when you sit at the edge of the blanket, your hips kind of get to come down and then you get to lengthen up through your spine. So let's just take a moment to set our position. So I want you to have your shoulders over your hips. You're probably back a little bit farther than you think. And then your neck in line with your shoulders. And then take your hands like a corset on your belly. Good. So inhale, fill up your pelvic floor area. Then expand into your hands. Then up into your heart. Then exhale like you're tightening the corset, squeeze it out. Good. Inhale, expand pelvic floor, side body, front body. Exhale, squeeze it out. Good. Now focus, close your lips, go into your nose, expand. Exhale, cinch. Inhale, expand. Exhale, cinch. Good. Inhale, expand. Exhale, cinch. Nice. And then let's take your right hand forward. Inhale, expand. Now you're not even using your hands. Exhale, cinch. Bring that right arm across. Inhale, expand. Left arm in and up. Exhale, cinch. Good. Inhale, expand. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Look to the left. Exhale, cinch. Good. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, cinch it in. Good. Now we're going to twist. Inhale, lift and lengthen. And then right at your ribs again. Twist there. So not in your low back. So you're not going far. So just bring your chest in line with your knee. Right hand on the outside of your left knee, left fingertips here. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, cinch. So try not to even go far. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, cinch. Pull that left shoulder back. Nice. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Tuck your chin. Exhale, cinch. Good. And then come back to center. Crawl your right hand to the side. Make sure it's even with your hip. So take a moment to see that your hand is even with your hip. Nice. And then from here, bring your hand to your heart. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Good. And then exhale, cinch. Spin your chest towards the sky. So just your chest, not your hips. Good. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, cinch. And then bring your left arm by your ear. So your chest is spinning towards the sky, but not your hips. Maybe take your hand on the back of your neck. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, cinch. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Good. And then just crawl your hands forward, rock from side to side. Nice. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, cinch. Nice. Walking on back. Put that right leg in front. I almost fell over. So cinch your hands. Inhale, lift and lengthen. So feel yourself get taller. Good. Exhale, cinch it in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, cinch it in. Inhale, take that left arm forward. Exhale, cinch it in. Good. So bring your arm lower, Fiona, so that it's in line with your shoulder. Yes. And then inhale, exhale, bring it across. Inhale, right arm in. Good. Pull your right arm into your left. Good. Drop that left shoulder a little bit, Pat. Exhale, squeeze the air out. Good. Inhale, lift and lengthen. This time, exhale, left ear, left shoulder. Maybe look to the right. Good, breathe, inhale, fill up. Exhale, squeeze it out. Inhale, fill up. All right, this time take your arms here. So we're just gonna do it a little bit different. Good. Lift and lengthen, and then just twist at your upper back. So keep your hips where they are. Bring that left hand onto your right knee, exhale. Right fingertips next to you. So you're not cranking all the way. Yeah, nice, good, Maseo. Now lift your chest, get taller. Yes, nice, Marianne. And then exhale, cinch it in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, cinch it in. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Good. Exhale, come back to center, cinch it in. Let's take your right hand at your side, your left hand, curl it out to the side, and look at your hand and look at your hip. Make sure they're in line. So some of you, your hands tend to be too far forward or too far back. Good. So inhale, expand that side body, press in your left hand, and then exhale, cinch it in. Then let's take your hand to your back of your head. Inhale. I feel like that really expands my side body. Exhale. Good. Inhale, press your head into your hand into your head. Exhale. Good. And then take that arm here or keep it on your neck. Spin just your chest, not your hips up towards the sky. Yes. Good. Inhale, come back up. Walk your hands forward, rock from side to side. Nice. Good job. And then let's make our way onto our back. So I'm going to put my blanket away for a moment. Nice. So come onto your back. And then again, put your hands around your belly in that cinched position. And then inhale, feel everything expand. And then exhale, feel it all press in and out. Inhale, expand. Exhale, press it out. Nice. And then inhale, take that right ankle on top of your left knee. Exhale, pull your legs in as you cinch your tummy in and up. Nice. And then take your right hand underneath your right knee and press your knee into your hand. If you're like, I don't know what you're saying, then just press your right knee away. And then grab your left foot with your left hand. Good. Inhale. Get soft and expansive. Exhale, squeeze it away. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale, pull that left leg into your right ankle. Exhale, squeeze it out. See if you can press your right knee into your right hand and your right hand into your right knee. Nice. Exhale, release. Good. Bring that left foot down to the mat. And then just sit up for a second and watch me. You were already up, Fiona. You were already good. So you're going to take your right foot all the way to the side and see if you can take your left hand on your foot. And if you can't get it on your foot, maybe take it on your shin so that you press your foot down and press that right knee away. So come onto your back, right ankle on your left knee. Good. Pull that belly in and up. Twist first, just twist to the left. Good. Now take your left hand on your foot. It's kind of hard to reach, so maybe on your shin even. And then pull your shin into your leg into your shin so that you get a nice hip opener in your outer right hip. Good. Inhale, expand. Exhale, press it away. Inhale, expand. Exhale, press it away. Good. Inhale, come back to center. And then just take that right foot wide into a wide half happy baby. So pull your belly in and up, exhale. Expand, inhale. Good, exhale. expand, inhale. Nice. Bring your right foot down to the mat. Good. Press near your feet, inhale, expand. Exhale, press it all out. Take your left ankle on top of your right knee. Inhale. Good. Exhale, pull everything in. Squeeze the air out. Good. Take your left hand on the back of your left knee. Take your right hand on your left foot. Pull your foot in with your right hand. Press your knee into your left hand. Nice. Inhale, expand. Exhale, squeeze the air in and out. Inhale, expand. Exhale, squeeze the air in and out. Good. And then inhale, send that right leg up. Point your toes, expand. And then exhale, pull that right leg into your left ankle. Press that left ankle into your right knee. Come back to your breath, expand. And then exhale, squeeze it out. Good, expand. Exhale, squeeze it out. Good, bring your right foot to the mat. And then same thing we just did. So left ankle's on your right knee, take your hands out to the side. Good, inhale, expand. Exhale, as you squeeze and pull it in and out, twist over to the left. So just twist first. Try and get that left foot on the ground, if you can. So twist even more if you can, Marianne. So pull that top hip towards me. So pull your hips towards me. Your top hip should face the ceiling. And then grab your shin or your foot if you can. Press your foot into the ground and press that leg open into your right hand. Nice. And then inhale, come on up. Take that left foot into a wide happy baby. So grab the inside of your knee, grab the inside of your ankle or the inside of your foot and just take that left leg out to the side for a wide happy baby. Nice. Good job. And then make your way on up and we'll come onto all fours. Nice. So take a moment. Take the heels of your hands, the palms of your hands, your fingertips. Good. We'll do a cat-cow. So press in your hands. And then lift your chest, drop your belly, pull your shoulder blades back. Nice. And then exhale, pull your belly in and up, drop your head. Good. And then inhale, press in your hands, drop your belly, pull your shoulders open. And then exhale, squeeze the air out, drop your head. Nice. And then take that right leg up behind you, flex your foot, pull your belly in and up, and then reach that left hand forward. So inhale, expand. Exhale, pull everything in and up. Inhale, expand. Exhale, pull in and up. Inhale, expand. Exhale, pull in and up. Good. And then bring your right foot forward. Take a nice wide stance. Press into the 3 points on your feet. Squeeze that left glute, pull in and up. Squeeze that pelvic floor. Let's wrap your hands again. Good, so pull in and up at the sides. And then reach your arms up, press into your feet. Nice. And then let's take your hands, your elbows out in like that heroic kind of pose. So pull in and up, lean a little forward, so get long, and then twist left, but just hover. Good, come back to center. Twist left. Exhale, squeeze everything in and out. Hover. Yeah, use that core. That's right, Maseo. And then come back to center. All right, and then if you're facing away, just stop and look for a minute. And then this time we're gonna come forward. Twist, let's just bring your left hand to the mat. Squeeze and take your right hand to your knee for now. So squeeze that right knee towards your left arm towards your right knee. lengthen. So take your left hand farther forward, Marianne. Lengthen, nice. You guys look good. And then take your hand off your knee, bring it to your heart. So you're just lengthening. So bring your left hand farther forward, Pat. So you're just yes, now open, take your right hand now on your heart and open the top of your chest. And then maybe send the arm up. Maybe not. Maybe your hand's too far forward. Sorry, Pat. All right, so keep your right hand on your heart. I'd rather you just spin your chest open. I want your right shoulder on top of your left. Nice. Come back to center. Pull back. So that twist is hard because you guys are facing away from me and you're probably like, what is she saying? So I probably should have said left leg. I didn't really think about it. Nice. Good. Come on to all fours. Pull your belly in and up. Nice. And then come all the way down. Let's do locust pose. So pull your pelvic floor, your side body. So put your hands on your sides for now. Good. And then your belly in and up. And then lift your chest. Add your arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand on top of right. Bend your knees. Turn your head to the right. Go from side to side. Nice. Come back down. Take your hands on your sides and your belly. Good. Pull that in and up. Pull your pelvic floor in and up. Pull your belly in and up. Lift with your hands on your belly. Press in your feet. And then hands out to the side. Really pull that belly in and up. See if you can get some extension in your back. You don't have to go high. Just go long. Nice, you guys. And then left arm on top of right. Bend your knees. Turn your head to the left. Nice. And then slide your hands next to you. Hug your elbows in like you have money in your armpits. Good. Come all the way up. Nice. And then let's press in your hands again and we'll do that sunbird again. So pull that low belly in and up. Pull the sides in and up. So feel really long in your belly. Nice. And then bring that left leg up behind you. Pull everything in. Stay here. Come onto your fingertips or bring that right arm forward. Nice. Inhale. Reach. Fill up. Exhale. Send the air out. Inhale. Arm is forward. Squeeze that left leg towards the right. Exhale. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Pull in and up. Good. Bring your right hand down. Bring your left foot forward. Good. Go wide enough and take this nice shortened stance. Yep. Good job. And then squeeze your left leg towards your right leg towards your left. Nice. Good. Engage that left glute, lift and lengthen. Engage that pelvic floor, the side body, lift and lengthen. Nice. And then belly in and up, take your elbows out. Good. So get tall and then come a little forward like you're flying. Press in those legs, hug that left knee in. Good job. And then twist right. Come back to center. Nice. Put more weight in that front foot if you want to twist right. Yes. Come back to center. Yes. Twist right. And then this time, right hand down. Let's take your left hand on your hip. So you pull your hip back. So right hand, I'm going to say like my thumb is in line with my big toe. I'm pulling my left hip back and hugging my left knee in towards my right hand. Good. So get that length, pull your belly in and up, pull your side in and up. Good. Then just twist your chest. Then take your hand on your heart and see if you have a little bit more, but not in your hips, just in your thoracic spine, just from here up. And then keep your hand on your heart or bring that left arm up. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. And then left hand down. Good. Come on to all fours. Pull your belly in and up, come all the way down. And then this time, let's interlace our hands. We'll do more of a stretch. So pull your pelvic floor in and up, your sides, your belly, and then see if you can lift your chest and stretch your shoulders a little. So push your hands away from you, Marianne. See if you can straighten them. So for you, maybe, yes, good. And maybe use a strap next time. Good. And then left arm on top of right, turn your head to the right. Bend your knees from side to side. Nice. And then one more time. So maybe your hands are next to you. Maybe you have a strap in your hands and your palms are facing down. Or maybe you're hooking your thumbs. So before you do anything, pull your belly in and up, pull your pelvic floor in and up, extend your sides, and then pull your arms away from you and lift your chest. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. Right arm on top of left, turn your head to the left, take your legs from side to side. Nice. And then slide your hands up. Let's first come into a puppy pose. I'm just on a kick about this. So take your hands wide and then pull in your pelvic floor, pull in your belly, bring your chest so that your back is nice and flat. Yes. Pull in your belly, Ayoko, pull your belly in. Yes, yes, nice, good. Now let's transfer that to down dog. So bring your hands in a little bit. I want you to get that same feeling. So start with bent knees. That looks perfect, Fiona. So start with bent knees. Grip the mat with your hands. And then engage that pelvic floor. Pull your chest towards your legs. Engage that upper belly. Engage the side. So your head ends up with your hands on either side of your ears. Really engage your pelvic floor. Really nice, you guys. Really nice. And then pedal out your legs. Bend your left, straighten your right. Bend your right, straighten your left. Bend your left, straighten your right. Bend your right, straighten your left. All right, come on down and then look at me again. So we're going to do the same thing. But I'm going to bend my right knee and turn my left heel in and then press into that outer left hip. So come into down dog, regular down dog. Flatten that back, claw the mat. Nice. Good job, you guys. Bend your right knee. And then turn your left heel towards your right toes. And press in that outer left hip. And if you're like, what is she talking about? Then just do a regular down dog. Good, then come back to center. Squeeze those hands, bring your chest a little closer towards your legs. Fiona, good. Now bend your left knee and turn your right heel in and press on that outer right hip. Nice. Yes, good job. And then bend both your knees, walk to the top of the mat. Come to flat back, lift and lengthen, exhale, fold, inhale, sweep your arms up, exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, we're going to focus now on our breath. So we're going to do a half salutation with our, with Malasana to open our inner thighs a little bit. So just start with this, hands in prayer, take your legs out a little bit, and then pull in and up. Good. And then exhale, squat. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, squat. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, squat. Inhale, come on up. Good, make your feet parallel. Now we're going to do a half salutation. So squeeze everything in and up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Come to the front of your mat. We'll do lunges now. So just focus on your breath. You kind of know the other cues. So hug everything in towards the midline and then inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fingers to the mat. Step your right foot back, drop your knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank on your knees or regular. Exhale to the floor. Inhale, hug in cobra pose. Exhale, come up onto all fours. Step your right foot forward. Inhale, straighten your back leg, lift and lengthen. Exhale, left foot to right, come to flat back. Inhale, fold. Exhale, all the way up. Inhale, hands to heart. Stay with that. Inhale, hug in. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left leg back, drop your knee. Exhale, arms up. Inhale, hands to the mat, downward facing dog. Good, exhale. Inhale, plank or plank on your knees. Exhale to the floor. Good. Inhale, cobra pose, grip the mat. Nice. Exhale, come onto all fours, take your left foot forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, right foot to your left. Come to flat back. Nice. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Same thing, but with your legs maybe up in crescent lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fingers to the ground. Step back to crescent lunge or drop your knee. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, come down to the mat for Sphinx pose, elbows down. Rip the mat. Inhale, lift your hips or lift your hips and your knees. Exhale, knees down, hips down. Sphinx pose. Good. Inhale, lift your hips or lift your hips and your knees. Exhale, knees down, hips down. Rip the mat, Sphinx pose. One more time. Inhale, lift your hips or your hips and your knees. Exhale, knees down, hips down. Good. And then slide your hands together. Press on up. Good. Right foot forward. Inhale. Exhale, lift and lengthen. Good. Inhale, left foot to right. Come to flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Left side. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, left foot back, leg up or down, crescent lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, come forward to plank or plank in your knees. Exhale, come down into Sphinx pose, elbows parallel. Good. Grip the mat. Inhale, lift your hips or lift your hips and your knees. Exhale, knees down, hips down. Inhale, lift your hips or your hips and your knees. Exhale, knees down, hips down. One more. Inhale, lift your hips or your hips and your knees. Nice. Exhale, knees down, hips down. Grip the mat. Good. Chest towards the ground, hands next to you. Hug those armpits in. $100 in each hand. Come on up. Left foot forward. Exhale. Good. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Good. Exhale, right foot to left. Come to flat back. Inhale, fold. Exhale, all the way up. Inhale, hands to your heart. Good. Chair pose. Inhale, drop. Exhale, take your arms behind you. Or grab your thumbs or grab a strap. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands to the mat, come to downward facing dog. Nice. Inhale, come to plank or forearm plank, whatever's appropriate for you. And then down to the mat. Cobra, medium cobra, upward facing dog. Nice. And then come on to all fours. Downward facing dog. Take a moment here. Press into your hands. Good. And then pull in that pelvic floor. Upper belly, sides. Maybe bend your knees. Get your chest towards your legs. Nice. And then either come onto your knees, especially if you have wrist issues, or from downward facing dog. Take that right knee to that right elbow. Tap it. Good. Bring it back. Take that right knee to that left elbow. Tap it. Bring it back. Bring your knee to your nose. Step your right foot through. Let's come into a warrior one. So go wide. Go really wide. So where your hips are, and then go wider. Good. Straighten your front leg. Turn, pull your right hip back, left hip forward. Nice. And then inhale. And then exhale, straighten. And then inhale. And then exhale. And then inhale. Get expansive. And then exhale. Squeeze the air out. Get a little bit taller. Nice. And then exhale. Bring that left foot in. Lift and lengthen. Pull everything in and up. And then exhale. Let's get a little hamstring stretch. Nice. And then bend your knee. Come to down dog. Take a rest. In puppy pose, take a plank, chaturanga, up dog, down dog. I'll meet you in down dog. I'm going to just be here. Nice. Maseo, bend your knees. Yes, and then pull it up. Yes, nice. All right. And then from downward facing dog, come onto your knees or in down dog. Take the left leg up behind you. Good. And then take your left knee to your left elbow. Pull the belly in and up. Good. Bring it back. Take your left knee to your right elbow. Belly in and up. Good. And then knee to your nose. Bring your left foot forward. Come on up. Make your way into warrior one. However you get there, it doesn't have to be pretty. And then I'm going to do meatballs with my wrists because my wrists are like a little bit sassy. Good. So take your legs wide, straighten your legs. So I've come a little bit out of the breath because I want to teach this. Good. Ayoko, take your legs a little wider. Not longer, wider. Like take the, like that way. Yes. Good. Pull that right hip forward, that left hip back. Nice. And then bend your front knee. Add your arms. Inhale. Good. And then exhale, lift and lengthen. Inhale, get expansive. Exhale, lift and lengthen. Inhale, get expansive. Exhale, lift and lengthen. Good. And then pull those hips in. Come forward. Maybe hook your thumbs, maybe not if you want a little bit more shoulders. Nice. Get a nice stretch in that left hamstring. Nice. And then hands to the mat. Come to downward facing dog. And then let's just take a little rest for a second. Nice. Good job. All right, and then let's come to downward facing dog. Bend your knees, look forward, walk or float to the front of the mat. Come to flat back. Drop your tush, add your arms. Nice. And then press all the way up. Bring your hands to your heart. Good. And then we're gonna do some chair twists. So I'm gonna face this way so you can see me. So we're gonna come down low. And then you're gonna dig into your pelvic floor, side body, nice. We're gonna come back to these strong arms, right. And then just go right and back to center. Right and back to center. And then right, and then either, let's just start with your right hand on your sacrum, your left hand on the outside of your right knee. I want you to try and make your knees a little even. And then see if you can lift your chest, pull that right shoulder back. Nice. And then exhale, fold, pedal out your legs. Nice. And then bend your knees, pull your belly unit up. Grab your outside of your left knee with your right hand. Take your left hand on your low back. Get long, and then just twist to the left. Nice. Come back to center. Fold. And then inhale, come all the way up. I know I skipped something, so I'm going to add it now. Bring your hands to your heart. Good. So come back to chair. Let's bring your hands right at your thoracic spine. So this is where we're twisting. We're not twisting our hips. Our hips are planted. Good. So stick that tushy out and let's bring those elbows left and back to center. Left and back to center. Yep. Left and back to center. Good. Right leg on top of left. Bend that right knee. Stick your hip out. I'm going to say like a sassy teenager. I'm going to say this is what I did. I think I stood like this as a sassy teenager. Good. And then fold. I know, Debbie M, that you stood like that. I know you saw kids standing like that. So really stretch that outer left hip. Good. And then inhale, come on up. We'll switch legs, left foot on top of right. Stick that right hip out. That's right, Deb. Yeah, Deb Rauscher's got it. She's got the full sass. Nice. Good job. Nice. And then inhale, come on up. Good. And then let's just do a little bit of warrior two. So take your right heel in line with your back foot. Now here's what I want everyone to do. I want you to look at your back foot. So if your toes are facing away from you, see how my hips go that way? So make sure your heel is either in line with the back or kicked out slightly. Good. Then bend your front knee. Good. And then hands on your belly, hug in, Pull everything in and up. Nice. And then just add your arms, pull them away. And then just inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. And then let's take your thoracic spine and twist it towards the front of the room. So the rest of your hips stay like this, right? And then bring your hand, your elbow here, your hand on your back thigh and lengthen so you don't over twist your hips. Nice. You can stay there, or you can bring your hand onto your, what is this called? Ankle. And then bring your left hand on your heart and just spin your chest a little bit more. So your hips stay right where they are, but your chest, nice. And then you can bring your arm here, you can bring it up. I like it up, it's lifting my hip right now. Nice. Inhale, come on up. Take your feet parallel, go from side to side. Nice. Good job. And then turn your feet the other way. So look at your back foot. What is your back foot doing? Make sure it's parallel or your heel slightly kicked away. So it's that same kind of sassy teenager look thing, right? Bend your knees. Good. And then hug in, cinch in, inhale, get expansive. Exhale, pull in and up. Inhale, get expansive. Now add your arms. Exhale, in and up. Good. And then inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, bend. Good. And then hands on that, on your hips again, or on your thoracic spine. That's not your hips. Good. Squeeze, pressing your feet, and then just turn your upper body. Good. And then bring that elbow onto your thigh. Take that right hand, press that back thigh away. But you're not cranking it. Nice. Then bring this right hand on your heart. Spin your chest a little bit more. Keep your hips where they are. Keep your hand here. Reach your arm up and lift your hips, or reach it up and then bring it to the side. Breathe, inhale, get expansive. Exhale, squeeze in and out. Inhale, get expansive. Exhale, squeeze in and out. Nice. And then inhale, come on up. Heel toe your feet in. Good. Take your legs wide. Press in your hands. Nice. All right, and then I want to do one standing balance based on how we started. We're going to do the ankle to knee. So come back to chair. Pull in your pelvic floor and then pull in your belly. Nice. Then hands out to the side. Come nice and low, even lower. Yes. Now lift your chest. I want you to take your right ankle on top of your left knee. So come up and then sit back down like you're in a chair. And then press that knee down like we did when we were, press that, pull your belly in and up, Vince. Or you can take Debbie down with you, that's okay. Pull that belly in and up. You keep your hands here. Pull that belly in and up. And then if you've got it, add your hands. Nice. Nice. Maybe grab this left foot with your left hand and press into your right hand with your right, or reach that hand down. And if you're like, you're crazy, that's fine. And then inhale, come on up, right leg on top of left. Nice, Fiona. Pull in and up, fold, stick that left hip out. Nice. And then inhale, come all the way up. We'll try the other side. So come on down, pelvic floor, side body gets long, and then pull that belly in and up. Good, hands out to the side. Keep that belly engaged, lift. And then if you've got it, come up and then sit back down. And then pull that belly in and up. Pull that belly in and up, good. Breathe, inhale, get expansive. Exhale, squeeze it in and out. Get lower, Vince, get lower. Yes. Nice. And then maybe grab your right foot and pull it towards you. Maybe take your left hand underneath and press your knee down. Nice. See how it feels like what we did when we were laying on the ground? Left foot over right, maybe not. Pull it in and up and fold, but it's the same shape. I wish I could have done parenting this way. Like I just talk and no one could, and I could just mute everyone. I like that. All right, let's make our way down to the floor. I like that muting way. So come into this Malasana. Maybe you're up high because you have wonky knees. Maybe you're down lower. Press your elbows into your thighs into your elbows. Nice. And then come all the way down. Let's do regular pigeon pose. Or actually, let's do 90-90 pigeon pose. And if this is uncomfortable for you, then you can go back on your back the one we did. So take your legs wide and then shift and look at your shin. So your right shin is in line with the short edge of the mat. And then this left leg, try and make it in line with the short edge of the mat. And if for some reason that's painful for you, you can bring it closer. So pull your low belly in up, cinch, lean forward so that your shin and your ankle are both on the mat. And then bring your hands forward. Press near your legs and fold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale, come all the way up. Pull everything in and up, pull into your legs. And then boat pose or straight leg boat pose or hovering boat pose. Nice. And then bring your feet down. Take your legs wide again. And then go over to the left. Good. Right hand on that hip, rotate it forward. And then cinch in and up. Cinch your side body. And then take your hands wide. Shin and ankle are both on the mat, parallel with the short edge of the mat. And then pull in and up and press in your hands. Press in your hands, press into your shin. Feel that stretch on your outer left glute. Nice. And then inhale, come on up. Take your legs into bent knee boat pose. Toes could be on the ground. Your legs could be straight. Pull that belly in and up. I'd rather your spine be good. Nice. And then exhale, release. Good job. And then we're going to do this pose for my friend Fiona because I'm so happy to see her. I want you to take your legs wide. You can turn your feet in or they can stay out. And then come on back into Froggy Pose. Look at those inner thighs. So you might want to do it on the long edge of the mat so you can take your legs wider. Because if you're on hardwood surface, it's not going to feel good. So see if you can take them a little wider even, Fiona. This is your favorite pose, Froggy Pose. You're like, nope, I'm good. Good, so get those inner thighs a little bit. Nice, and then come all the way up. Let's see where we are. All right, 9:54. So I'm gonna say, just come to sitting or you can lay down. We're gonna have one moment of quiet and then we're gonna do a breath practice. So take a moment to get into your good position. You could be laying down or sitting up. Nice. Shoulders in line with your hips. And just take a moment of quiet. Notice your body. And on your exhale, anywhere that's tight, just say soften. Eyes soften. On your exhale. Inhale. Throat and neck soften. Hips soften. Inhale. Exhale, soften. Inhale. Exhale, soften. Feel your breath coming in. Get expansive. Exhale, soften. So maybe visualize any area that's tight, sending that message there. Or feel that body part. And just notice that area release. Notice if there are other areas around that tight spot that are also tight. Tell them to soften. Maybe slightly change your position. Take one more round of breath here. If you're laying down, gently roll to one side. Make your way on up to a comfortable seated position. And then bring your hands to your heart. And namaste.